Alright, brothers and sisters, in this video I will show you some example lesson plans which I have made. These are my assignments for Thursday, which are upcoming. And this painting you see by Marc Chagall is called The White Crucifixion from 1938. It emphasizes the Jewishness of Jesus and calls attention to the plight of the Jewish people in Europe at this time. For this assignment in ancient history, I give some background information about Roman government of Palestine, and then I tell them what they're going to do. They're going to read some sources that I have listed and attached in a Google Doc, and in this file they're going to write their answers. Because of that, I have make a copy for each student, because the questions are inside the Google Doc, and each one will then have their own version which they can type their answers into and submit. The document itself has a list of primary sources concerning Pontius Pilate. We have Philo of Alexandria, a philosopher, Josephus, the Jewish historian. Of course, we have the Gospels of Matthew and John, which I have them read as well. The questions are here below. It says in each section, summarize the type of ruler Pilate is according to each author. What is his personality like? So you have Matthew, John, Philo, Flavius Josephus. And then taking these accounts together, what do you think the Jewish perspective on Roman rule would be and why? Provide 3 ideas. So I'm pretty specific. Answer each question in a sentence or 2. They don't have to go overboard. I just want to see evidence that they read the passage. Then, after they have that completed, they'll be able to submit that. For Latin, I have my students listen to a hymn, Attende Domine, a perfect Lenten hymn. We'll give them a little background on the Attende Domine, and have them translate a section from a handout they have, Ulysses, line 16 onward. And the last thing is to have them listen to another Latin song, Audi Famam. And that is my Latin homework. Once again, for the Ulysses 86 translation, I make a copy for each student and give them the opportunity to just write it out in this document with their name and date. In British literature, I have created a discussion question. Share 10 quotes from chapters 3, 4, and 5. Have them rewrite quotes, and they're going to submit those. It's worth 10 points. Students can reply to one another. I have that checked. If I don't have it checked, the students can edit answer. For geometry class, I have attached a 13-minute video where I review the problems they did for last class, 12.7 through 12.10. and give them an opportunity to understand those problems. Then I give them the problem set, which they're supposed to do, and if they've watched the video, they should be able to complete problems 12.2.1 through 4, and if they need help, I have specific geometry office hours scheduled in addition to my normal office hours. And I hope that will give them all the tools they need to get help from me and understand these problems. So those are 4 types of assignments that I am giving. I hope those help stimulate you in your own ideas for remote learning assignments. Take care. Godspeed.